Hey guys, so we are outside today. I hear some neighbors in the back and the neighbors out over there. It's a nice Sunday afternoon. But anyway, let me hold the camera at this side. My pool got too many chemicals in it. I didn't do something properly. Had my little system down packed and everything, but it's been storming and I went a couple days without cleaning it and it's just got all out of balance and everything. So I'm just draining it for the most part. I don't know if I'm gonna drain all of it, but I'm gonna drain some of the pool. I might drain it all and just refill it. And it'll refill in like 4 hours and then we'll be able to get back in. But I just wanted to start because you can get rashes from the chemicals being out of whack. You can get folliculitis. The chlorine and different things can be just too strong for you, and all the other chemicals. So if that happens and your pool just gets out of whack, to me it's just better to just put more water in. So that's what I'm going to do today, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright guys, so yesterday I already drained just about half of it. As if y'all see, the water is still clear, it's still good. But I know that, you know, by doing the test strips and other things, I know it's out of whack. It's way off. So I am going to go here. I'm going to unscrew this. Inside, well, there's a plug in the pool, and that's it from the inside. Let me see if I can get it real good without dropping my camera. So it is right there. So you want to
This in from the outside, it's going to push through.
So once you push this in from the outside, or you push it in here, once you push it in there, it's going to push that plug that I just showed you on the inside. It's going to push it out, so it'll start draining. Okay. You have to hurry up and screw it on. So it's not too terrible. It's not just going to gush out. So, and that's how you drain the pool. So the little white piece, this piece is called the drain connector. But that's how you drain the pool. And you let the hose go to the street, like ours is going to the street. And I'll show you, because you don't want to flood your backyard. You don't want to drain it towards your house. You don't want to, you know, get a big old mud hole back in your yard. So this is where our hose is coming out to. Right down to the curb, well, to our sidewalk, and it's just going to run to the curb. And of course our curb carries it on down to the drain at the end of the street. So I am going to put the hose back here because I don't, you know, people don't need to necessarily see it. They see the water, but they don't need to see the hose too good. But anyway, you don't want to put it like way back in your grass because it's chlorine and you don't want to kill your grass. So my pool had chlorine and I had put shock in it and I think a pH downer or something. And you don't want all those chemicals in your grass to kill your grass. Okay, so you want to drain it towards your street. I'm walking back to the house, back to the backyard. The pool is draining. We're going to refill it and we're going to get in it later. All right, you guys, so now I'm going to stop draining the pool. I'm going to unscrew this. And the water's going to come gushing out, and I'm going to have to close it real fast and then replug it from the other side. It may be kind of hard to stop, but I did stop it. But what you want to do is go ahead and plug it from the inside now, and then retighten this. And now you're going to retighten. So the pool is down super low now, and there's just about, oh, I'd say 2 inches of water in there. So you want to go ahead and skim it if there's any little, insect bugs or whatever that fell in, or you want to skim it. You can just go ahead and let it all drain out if you want to. I think it's better to leave a little bit in there so that you will be able to skim the bugs out or any debris, pollen or whatever that's in there, because if you let it drain completely out and bare, it's hard to kind of wipe the pool up of everything, like the bugs and everything. They're not all going to suck out of the drain. So you don't want to use a cloth to wipe around in here, because then that'll get cloth fibers or towel fibers in your pool, and that'll be harder for your pump. That'll be harder for the pump, the filter. So I just prefer to skim the rest of it out and go ahead and refill. So there's about 2 inches left in there now. There's some construction going on the street behind us, so please excuse the noise. But you want to now skim your pool, and you want to get everything, all the little bugs and all the little, gnats or particles that have settled in the pool. You want to now skim it, and you have to stir your pool because there's bulges in there and all the little, crevices and everything. You want to stir the water in the pool so that it can bring everything out, and you can go ahead and skim it up with the skimmer. So now guys, you want to check the filter pump on your pool. You want to see if it's all gunky or anything it needs to be changed. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to do that on another video. I don't want to make this video too long. But you want to, check it. If you need to change the filter, you can do that. Or if you just need to clean it, you can clean it with your water hose. But like I said, I'll show you that on another video coming up soon. You can now go ahead and put the hose in your pool, turn on your water hose, and fill up your pool again. One more tip, you guys. When you fill up your pool, you don't have to use a whole bunch of chemicals. As my neighbor told me, don't get started with all the, the test strips and different things. Don't do that a lot, because you'll find that every time you do that, you're going to need something. You're going to be running to the pool store and stuff like that. So she told me to just put a little bit of, put chlorine in it. Don't overdo it. After a storm, go ahead and shock it if you need to. So yeah, don't get started with a whole bunch of chemicals. You'll just have to drain and refill your pool. Alright guys, well that is it. Please share this video for other people who may have an INTEX pool. Share it on your Facebook, Instagram, or whatever. You never know what neighbors or family may have this same thing they want to know, how to drain and refill their pool. Also take a look around my channel on Tracie's Place here. There's a lot of other instructional videos about other things, other videos that I've done that might be beneficial to you. So yeah, take a look around, and I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Be blessed. Bye.